to 9 story. Here you can see for first to 8 story, the dead load is given as 2 kg per meter square. Live load is given as 5 kg per meter square. Now the plan for 9 to 14 stories shown here. The dead load is considered as 2 kg per meter square and live load is considered as 4.5 kg per meter square. Similarly, for 15 to 19 story building, the dead load is considered as 2 kg per meter square and live load as 4 kg per meter square. Now this is for 20 to 30, 23 story building. Dead load is 2 kg per meter square, live load as 3.5 kg per meter square. Now these are the properties of different columns and beams. So columns having property as 500 mm by 500 mm cross section, 550 mm by 550 mm, 600 mm by 600 mm. For beam, 500 mm by 300 mm, 550 mm by 350 mm, and 600 mm by 400 mm. Now the grade of concrete which you are going to use is M40 and the main steel as HYSD 500, mild steel that is 250 rebar that you are going to use as a confinement reinforcement. Now the slab having thickness is given as 150 mm thick and the grade of concrete for the slab is M40. The auto draw cladding we are going to use. Cladding load we are considered as 0.2 kg per meter. The wind load is considered for the building which are situated in Bangalore. So we are going to use IS code for wind load, dead load, live load, and also for the RCC design we are going to use IS 456. Now let us consider the file from ETAP. Here we have modeled this building according to the given information. So this is a 3D view of a building. This is a plan view of a building. So you can see here in plan view for story number 9, 10, 11, you can see this is the plan. For 15, 16, 17, you can see this plan is different. So once the design process is over, let us go to the option design, concrete frame design, and go to the verify all members passed. It will shows a box having indicating that all concrete frames passed the design check. Press OK. That means all members are passed. Now for detailing purpose, we can go for the detailing and start detailing. It is in process. You can see here the slab section. If you click here and if you want to zoom it, you can see the area of reinforcement which is provided for the different members of beams. To get further detailed reports, we can go for reports, project report. So this is a report that we are going to generate given model. We can see also the details of drawing also by clicking here. If you want to see the detailing sheet for the roof slab, you can click here. You can see details of the roof, how the reinforcement is going to placed, what is the area of the steel you are going to provide it. If you consider the detailing for beam, you will get the table which shows the area of steel which is to be provided. So this is the table that we are going to obtain by clicking the detailing for different slabs, concrete beam. Now this is the detailing for beam. This is the longitudinal bars which is placed. You can see this is the 4 bars of. Thank you.